So as you can see, at some point my Gold Star's been parked against a red wall and has taken a bit of a scratch from it. I'm going to show you how to sort this out and bring your exhaust back to how it should be. What you are going to need is a bottle of your favourite brake cleaner, and this is a piece of Scotch-Brite. If you don't have brake cleaner, you can use a product like WD-40 because it has a high solvent content. You can see I've worked on this bit here, and I've worked mostly up and down in keeping with the brushing. And then if you compare what I haven't done, looking pretty neat. And there's my exhaust looking pretty nice. Just move the light around for you. So again, that technique was in my brain. I did an up and down technique, and I guess that's how I saw the brushing of the exhaust. So I'm just going up and down rather than side to side, and then finished off just by taking any excess off of the exhaust. Nice, much better.